In this video, I want to talk to you about high-ticket dropshipping and how you can get started with little to no upfront investment. It requires a lot more work than your basic general store, but it can be very rewarding long-term. And if you find any value in this video, remember to leave a like. My name's Alex. Let's get started. So for those of you who are new to high-ticket dropshipping, it just simply means that you're selling more expensive high-ticket products as compared to your traditional lower priced, lower margin dropshipping products. So high-ticket dropshipping products usually sell for upwards of $1,000 or more. But if you guys are selling like a $200 to $300 product and you guys have really good margins in place, then you guys can also consider that high-ticket dropshipping. But there's quite a few notable differences between a high-ticket dropshipping store and your traditional dropshipping store, where you're selling, $20 to $100 products and you're looking for the more impulse purchases. So with high-ticket dropshipping, it requires much stronger branding and marketing skills, as you guys will face a higher CPA or cost per acquisition, the cost of acquiring a new customer. So say you're selling like a $20, $30 traditional dropshipping product and you guys have a cost per purchase of $5, that's okay. But if you guys are selling a $500 product, you guys can have a cost per purchase upwards of $100 and still be profitable in the long term. So there's a higher cost of returns and shipping with high-ticket dropshipping, because obviously if you guys are refunding products, then you're going to have to refund that initial $1,000 or whatever you're selling your product for, and that's really going to eat away at your margins. So to deal with this, you guys need strong customer support to minimize your returns and make sure you resolve any customer complaints immediately. So when you guys look at high-ticket dropshipping stores, they're generally in the form of a well-branded one-product store, displaying themselves as the strong industry winner. But many times you can also have niche stores with other upsells in place or related variations of the same product. But high-ticket dropshipping stores best perform with custom video content such as Facebook, TikTok ads, organic content as well, but also SEO, search engine optimization, appearing higher up on the Google search results for whatever products these customers are searching for. So let's talk about your product criteria with high-ticket dropshipping, because high-ticket dropshipping requires a much stricter set of rules when it comes to your product criteria as compared to your traditional dropshipping stores. With high-ticket dropshipping, you cannot just slap a high price on any product and expect it to perform well. So almost any product can be a short-term winner with the right marketing, but high-ticket evergreen products require a very strict set of criteria. It must solve a problem, help with a customer pain point, or upgrade an existing product, and it has to be solution oriented, in other words. So these can be products such as massage chairs, gun safes, or really any other high ticket product that you guys can think of. This makes it easy to use human emotions in your marketing. If you guys know anything about basic copywriting and marketing, you guys know that you need to touch on basic human emotions such as fear, anxiety, grief, confidence, but that's a whole nother topic. So it's very easy to switch angles and audiences and keep constant content flowing for your brand. This product for high-ticket dropshipping cannot be found in traditional stores. Your brand needs to be the exclusive place to purchase, and like we said on the last slide, you guys need to be the clear industry winner. So including your supplier shipping costs, you guys want at least 50% profit margins in place for whatever products you're selling. And this is to minimize returns and to help with your forward cash flow while you guys are scaling your store. So just like traditional dropshipping products, you want it to have a mass appeal, otherwise known as the wow factor, to help with any impulse purchases and upsells of whatever products you have in place on your store. It has to be an evergreen product, meaning that it sells all year round without any disruptions, because you don't want to sell a trending product that has peaks during certain times of the year but dies off during other parts of the year. You want a consistent product that you guys can scale all year round for growth. Now really quickly, let's go over marketing your high-ticket dropshipping store so that you guys can start raking in those sales once you have everything set up. So you guys need to have a strong SEO strategy like we discussed in the last slide. You guys need to do your keyword research and implement many links across your product pages. But you guys can also outsource this if necessary. If you guys don't know much about SEO, you guys can work with like a qualified freelancer or agency, and they will get you ranking up higher on these search engines organically, so that you guys can really hone in and get that organic traffic and more sales moving forward. So you guys want to order the product yourself and shoot many different video ads with alternate angles appealing to multiple audiences. Once again, you can outsource this if needed. You guys can work with many different content creators across different platforms like TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. And then you guys want to upload as much organic content as you can. Make sure to utilize all platforms that make sense for your brand, whether that's a Facebook page, a Facebook group, Instagram posts, TikToks, Pinterest boards, whatever makes sense for your own personal brand. Make sure to utilize everything. You guys want to explore different paid ad strategies. You want to run Google Shopping ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and see which ones stick for your brand. Once again, you can outsource this with a qualified freelancer or advertising agency. You guys want to build your email list for future upsells and releases. You guys want pop-up forms displayed across your brand, and you guys can throw in some kind of incentive like 10% off your order or like free shipping if you enter your email. But you guys really need to drive those sales and collect email forms or email from your customers in the process. Only use high quality custom branded content on your website and media pages. You don't want to use just generic AliExpress content, otherwise it's going to turn your customers away from your brand and they're going to complete their purchase somewhere else. So with that being said, you must have a high quality landing page with clear and direct call to action strategically placed throughout. So now that you guys know what goes into a high ticket dropshipping store, let's go over quite a few notable examples. So the first one we have right here is Freedom Massage Chairs. And they have quite a few different massage chairs on their platform that are just like this one. So this one is on sale for $7,000, marked down from the original price of $8,500. And this is the Agawa Active L 3D chair. So they have all of their product features right here. They have all of the different color options, some high quality content of the product. We can scroll through all of these. Once we leave that, they have their upsells right here. So they have a $100 inside threshold delivery upsell, white glove setup $200, or an additional 2 years of full coverage for $500. And then they have their description right here. So they have specifications listed right here, their free shipping information, warranty information. So each chair comes with a 5-year limited warranty. They have the review section. They probably should go through and add some reviews, even if they don't have any organic reviews yet. It's definitely really good for building the customer trust, especially with high ticket dropshipping. You really want to hear others' opinion on these products. And then they have a download link for their user manual. So let's look through their description really quickly and seeing what strategies they're using to sell this $7,000 massage chair. So if we look in the lower right hand corner right here, they have a live chat with the representative. That's really good to include on your brand. You definitely don't want to be pushy with it though. But they include all of the different features with some high quality images showing the features in action, all of the bonuses, the 12 different massages, stretch techniques, and just a lot more information about their products. So they have a really good and clean product page built, designed in California. A lot of brands use this strategy, saying designed in California or wherever else, as a nice way of saying shipped from China. I know Apple likes to use that strategy because all of their products are made in China but designed in California. And then they have their specifications right here with the length and the height and everything else. So they did a really good job setting up their product page right here. The only thing different that I would do is include reviews and maybe a couple more upsells on the product page. But other than that, they did a really good job setting everything up. Okay, so next up we have a mattress brand called Puffy. And as you guys can see right here, we already had 2 pop-up forms displayed right off the bat. So a lot of people will tell you that this actually discourages your customers from purchasing, but I really like what this brand did. So they have these save $750 on any mattress. That should be a no-brainer offer to enter your email and get that discount. And that's a great way of driving email subscriptions for their marketing list. So if we close out of that, they have a find the right mattress quiz. I know of many high ticket dropshipping stores that are including quizzes and other related features on their website, so that's a great idea to really drive sales as well because it shows the customized aspect. So this twin mattress right here is selling for $9.99, marked down from $17.50. And let's look at everything that they included. So they have their upsells right here, their pillow protector and sheet set included in this product price if you order it today. They have a 101 night sleep trial, like that they included an extra day on there, lifetime warranty, made in USA, free shipping and returns. So if we look right here, they have some high quality content. They have video content that you guys can watch and just some really high quality pictures of the actual product itself and how it comes and all the measurements and everything else. So they have financing on here for $98 a month. You can pre-qualify right here through Klarna. I know many high ticket dropshipping stores that use some sort of installments, 12 reasons to choose Puffy Luxe mattress. They have all of their different reasons and promotional points right here. And then it shows the scale from soft to firm on the mattress and what you're getting, because obviously they sell multiple mattresses. They have an FAQ section right here addressing any customer questions and concerns. Shows the process of how it works with the call to action button right there. It's showing reviews and their influencer marketing. And then we have all of their reviews down here from their customers. They're including photo reviews and everything else. So it's a really good job setting this product page up. There really isn't much I would change on this one, but you guys get the point of everything that you guys need to include on a high ticket dropshipping product page, because like I already mentioned, you guys have to include a lot more features to actually sell it. After watching this video, you now know what goes into a high ticket dropshipping store and what to look for in each product. Keep working on your marketing skills and always remember the importance of branding. And don't forget to leave a like if this video helps you and subscribe for plenty more. I also have quite a few resources in the description below for you to check out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.